First two questions. Anybody any doubt? IP textbook, page number 322, exercise 8A, section 1, two questions. Anybody any doubts? No. Section 2, there are two questions, and first one has 4 parts, second one has 2 parts. Anybody any doubts in any one of them? No. Section 3, there are two questions. First one has 4 parts, second one has 3 parts. Anybody any doubts in that? Second one, y equal to ax square plus bx. Second one, in that 3 are there. Which one? In the first one, fourth one, xy equal to ax square plus b by x. Second, last one, very last one. Okay. Last two. Okay, fine. One thing, y equal to a e power 3x, b e power 4x. This, in the class I might have discussed 3 or 4 methods. In that, this d minus 3 into d minus 4 equal to 0. That method you cannot use in IP. Other 3 methods you can use in IP. Okay. But objective you can use that. Is it okay? Okay, so I'm discussing section 3, first one, that fourth one. Okay, xy is equal to ax square plus b by x. You can differentiate twice and then use determinant formula, but for convenience, I prefer bring this x this side, x square y equal to ax cube plus b. Differentiate once, b will go straight away. X square dy by dx plus y into 2x, a into 3x square, and the derivative of b is 0. Okay. Now you can differentiate once and find a and put it back, or divide with 3x squared down. You are going to get 1 by 3 dy by dx plus 2y by x is equal to 3a. You differentiate it, a is gone, you get the differential equation. Okay. So 1/3 d square y by dx square. Here u by v rule x into dy by dx minus y into derivative of x is 1 by x square equal to 0. You can bring this 3 here, this x square here, x square d square y by dx square plus 6x dy by dx minus 6y equal to 0. If you want to do directly, first derivative will give you xy dash plus y is equal to a into 2x minus b by x square. And when you differentiate one more time, xy double dash y dash plus y dash equal to a into 2 plus b into 2 by x cube. After getting this, you can solve these to find a and b, put it here, or directly you can take determinant. This is also valid in IP. What are a coefficient, b coefficient, constant? A into what is there? X square. B into what is there? 1 by x. What is the constant here? Xy. Here 2x, here minus 1 by x square, and here xy dash plus y. And here 2, here 2 by x cube, and here xy double dash plus 2y dash equal to 0. Expand this determinant also, you'll get the answer. A into what is here, B into what is here, and RHS. Similarly, A into what is here, B into what is here, and RHS. A into what is here, B into what is here, and RHS. Expand this also, you'll get same answer. Okay. Or somebody can somehow solve these two equations, find what is A, what is B, and put it here also. It will come same. Is it all right? Okay. The last two questions I want to discuss. And one more thing I recommend, I said earlier also many times, if somebody revises at least some part of the first year, okay, on your own during this last few months, you can start writing NTA Abhyas papers, as many as possible. Okay, because in that solutions are there, the detailed theory is there. Whichever question you don't know after exam, you can just see the theory and the formulas. In that way, slowly you are revising. Okay, so and even during the revision, let's say we may do revision for 7 weeks. First 3 weeks we may do first year, and the last 4 weeks we may do second year, something like that. Once the first year revision is over, while second year revision is going on only, you should write NTA-based papers as many as possible, because second year is recently taught. Okay, once for first year you might have forgotten some topics that we are revising. Okay, so after first year revision is over, okay, and in the my channel in YouTube, vector algebra and 3D geometry both I revised together. Okay, I only wrote vector algebra, but I also revised 3D. Only not many classes, 6 or 5 classes, 5 hours if you listen. Vector algebra, 3D geometry, all the theory I revised there, and after that you can do questions if you want, and the progressions I have done. Okay, I don't know what the next topic I'm going to do. I have not decided on that. And first year trigonometric equations and inverse trigonometry. Okay, these are available also in the channel. If somebody want to listen, I discussed the inverse trigonometry extensively with all the derivations and formulas. Trigonometric equation is simple, but you want to listen, you can listen. Okay, coming to this, so the parabolas, each of which has lattice rectum 4a and whose axis is parallel to x-axis. Okay, so it can be anywhere. So it is y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. Don't think a is variable here. The two variables that you need to avoid are h and k. H and k. Okay. From this also I can avoid, but there is another way to write the same equation. Is that x is equal to 1 by 4a into y square, some constant into y, some constant. These two are same. After all, when you divide with 4a, what will come? Y square coefficient will come 1 by 4a or not? Y coefficient is some constant which includes k and 4a. That is also variable. And another constant is including k square and h. That is also some constant. Again, here also two variable constant. Here also two variable constant. But here it is easy because differentiate twice, those two will be gone. Dx by dy you do, don't do dy by dx. It is easier. Okay. I don't know how his answer they gave. Dx by dy is equal to 1 by 4a into 2y plus b into, I'm doing it with respect to y. So b into derivative of y is 1 and derivative of this is 0. Okay. If I do one more time, it is gone. B is gone. But I will get answer in terms of d square x by dy square. But they might have given d square y by dx square. Of course, there is a formula which connects d square x by dy square and d square y by dx square. I think d square x by dy square is minus d square y by dx square by dy by dx whole cube. If you don't want to use it, not a big issue. We can take reciprocal and manage with that. Somebody can do from here also, but anyway, I would like to look at the answer. Yeah, they gave dy by dx whole cube for that reason. So I'll tell you that, and without that also I'll tell you. The thing is, if you directly differentiate, you'll get d square x by dy square equal to 1 by 2a into derivative of y is dy by dx, and the constant is 0 gone. But for this, the formula is minus d square y by dx square by dy by dx whole cube. There is a formula. You cannot see here online paper. Okay. There's a formula which connects d square x by dy square as minus d square y by dx square by dy by dx whole cube is equal to 1 by 2a into dy by dx. But that is going to give me dy by dx whole power 4. But they gave. I'm doing with respect to y, so this dy by dx is not there. Okay, there's only 2 then. Okay, thank you. Oh, right in the beginning, y square derivative is 2a, right? Already? Already I wrote 2a. Okay, thanks. Okay, okay, already I wrote 1 by 2a into 1. Yeah. Now when I do it, I'll get simply. No, wait. Yeah, this is done, and I'm only using this formula equal to 1 by 2a. Bring 2a here, this one here, that is the. Okay. So that is 2a d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole cube equal to 0. But in IP, I'm not expecting you to do like this because from here to here is not a usual formula that we use in IP. Okay, we may use for mains and advanced. This is a past year mains question. This is equal to this, and past year advanced before that also. Okay, that is in first year differentiation we discussed. Okay, how will you do without that? You can here also you can do differentiation, but I'll tell you how to do from here also. If somebody wants, expand this, you'll get y square minus 2ky minus 4ax. I'm bringing this constant put together. I will write some other constant, let us say capital C or something. Okay, this equation can be written like this, and differentiate one time, you'll get 2y dy by dx minus 2k dy by dx minus 4a equal to 0. Okay, C is gone at least. Now how to remove k? Differentiate one more time, you will get 2y d square y by dx square. Those are online. If you are not able to see some part of the board, you please tell me. Okay. 2 into y d square by dx square and 2 into this into derivative of this dy by dx whole square minus 2k d square y by dx square equal to 0. Find what is k from here and substitute here. What is k? This plus this by 2 d square y by dx square. You can substitute that also, you will get it. I hope everything is fine here. Y square minus 2ky minus 4ax plus some c. So first derivative is right, and we differentiated one more time. Because here I would have taken common and then also minus. It's okay. Okay, so you can find k from here, but I'll just tell you another way. I can isolate k, right? Send this one that side and divide with 2 dy by dx. You will get y minus 2a by dy by dx is equal to k. Somebody can even do like this. Send this one this side, divide with the dy by dx, and 2 this will be left. Now differentiate it. What is the derivative of y dy by dx? What is the derivative of this? This one plus 2a by dy by dx whole square into derivative of dy by dx is d square y by dx square equal to 0. Simply bring this one here, done. You got dy by dx whole cube plus 2a d square y by dx square equal to 0. Same answer. Right? So you can do like this, not like this. Somebody can directly differentiate this, find k and put it back also. Even from right from here, you can do one more thing. Write this dx by dy as 1 by dy by dx equal to 1 by 2a into y plus b. Differentiate directly with respect to x now. You will get minus 1 by dy by dx whole square into derivative of this is d square y by dx square equal to 1 by 2a into derivative of y is dy by dx plus 0. So from here, somebody can do like this also. And then simply send this one here and 2a here. You got 2a d square y by dx square with a minus equal to dy by dx whole. All right. So any one of these three ways you can do it. Is it okay? Last question. The parabolas having their foci at the origin and axis along x-axis. Okay, I'm going to erase. Okay, so we want a parabola focus at the origin. If I take this length as some k, this will be minus k comma 0 and lattice rectum is 4k. It will be in the form of y square equal to 4k into x plus k. Whatever k you take k equal to 1 or 2 or 3, it is always a parabola whose axis is x-axis and focus is at origin, right? Okay. If k is positive, it will be like this. If k is negative, it will be like this. If k is negative, this will be k comma 0 and opening towards left, and you get like this, not an issue. Okay, so now only one variable I have to differentiate only once. So I'll get only first order. Because of k square, I may get second degree. 4k square. So when I differentiate 2y dy by dx is equal to 4k into 1 and 4k square derivative is 0. Okay. So wherever, if I cancel 2k, I can write y dy by dx. So wherever 2k is there, substitute this now. So y square, combining these two together, this is 2 into 2k is y dy by dx into nx. 4k square is square of this, which is y dy by dx whole square. That's all. This, of course, some y can be cancelled. This is y square, there's a y, there's a y square. One y can be cancelled. You may get y into dy by dx whole square plus 2x dy by dx minus y equal to 0. Is it all right? Okay, total exercise 80. Any other doubt anybody has?
Sir, third Roman first one lo fourth sum chepta sir.
I told already in the beginning. Okay. You can see the recording later.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's it in IP. Everybody completed? Okay. So I want everybody today between 4 to 6. Okay. Please submit last exercise and first exercise. 8E, last one. 80. Exercise 80 and 80. These two things. Please submit your homework. In we are sending to Joganath sir directly. Yeah? Okay. Okay, we'll continue advanced material now. If somebody applied for KVPY also, I think by January 31st, quite a good of revision also takes place of first year, right? And second year topics are already there. So, I'm talking about KVPY January 31st only. You don't need to separately prepare for KVPY. You focus on your mains preparation fully. Automatically, KVPY preparation is included in that. And if exposure to questions already given, I think I discussed some 3 papers only, but it gave you some idea what type of what level of questions are coming. Okay, sorry, in between I think I'm out. Okay. Is the board clear to you now? Online people, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
board is clear. All right. So what I was telling, it is not that if you draw subtangent abscissa, you will find a rectangle in the figure. No. Instead of saying the product, they are calling, let us say I want to talk about x into y. Instead of directly telling the product is this, I can tell the imagine a rectangle whose one side is x, one side is y. What is the area? That's all. Okay. I guess we can change the whole statement, but meaningless. But sometimes they gave earlier. Okay. Yeah, we'll correct it. We'll just find A, B, C, D answers, whether they are in the RHS or not, column 2, we don't worry. Is it okay? So anyway, there is a rectangle whose one side is x-axis, one side is subtangent. That product varies as the square of the ordinate. So x into st is proportional to y square. All right. We have to find that. So in differential equation itself, one constant is there. We'll call that as ky. Let us say. I think subtangent formula is y into dy by dy by dx equal to some constant into y square. Now you can cancel one y, and then after that variable separable is x dx is equal to ky dy. Directly integrate, we'll get x square by 2 is equal to ky square by 2 plus c. And it's some kind of hyperbola. So option Q is there. B matches with Q. Okay, x square minus ky square is some constant, c or 2c, doesn't matter. Even ky square minus x square also you can call it, not an issue. Ky square minus x square equal to some constant. Okay. Okay, coming to C bit. The subtangent at any point P varies as the square of the ordinate. Subtangent is proportional to y square. That means subtangent is equal to some constant to y square. Subtangent is again y by dy by dx is equal to ky square. Okay, the dx can go up, and here you will get ky dy. Integrate it. X is equal to some ky square by 2 plus c. Some parabola it is. Ky square equal to x plus c. Yeah, you can bring 2 here, constant here. Ky square equal to 2x plus c. Okay. So that is C matches with R. B is matching with Q and C is matching with R. D bit, the statement should be somewhat proper. I think D and S together, some sentence they got misplaced. The area of the rectangle contained by the ordinate and subnormal at any point. Earlier we discussed abscissa and subtangent. Here ordinate and subnormal. So y into subnormal is proportional to vary as the abscissa. It is proportional to x. Okay, so the D and S statement should be read together. The area of the rectangle contained by the ordinate and subnormal at any point vary as the abscissa. What is the answer we are expecting? Okay, subnormal formula is y into dy by dx equal to some constant into x. So y square dy is equal to some kx dx. When you integrate, y cube by 3 is equal to k into x square by 2 plus c. Okay, so option P is like that only, 2y cube and k into 3x square. 2y cube equal to k into 3x square or 3kx square plus some c. 6c or c doesn't matter. Okay, so only for A, whatever is the answer we got, that we should have kept it as some that's a correction. Okay, fourth one, sorry, not fourth one. All the shortcut if you use quickly you can complete. Y equal to a e power 2x plus b e power minus 3x. So that you can write d minus 2 into d plus 3 equal to 0. D square plus d minus 6 equal to 0, which means y2 plus y1 minus 6y equal to 0. I'm sure you can finish off other things easily. This is d minus minus 2 into d minus 3 equal to 0. D square minus d minus 6 equal to 0. Y2 minus y1 minus 6 equal to 0. Minus 6y square. Okay, you can complete yourself, not a big issue. In fifth matching, you have to take column 1. From that, you'll get a differential equation. Solve that, you'll get some family of curves. Okay, matching 4 already completed, right? Okay, fifth matching a bit. Subtangent is constant. Subtangent is y dy by dx is some constant k. So dy by dx is equal to y by k. Or variable separable we want to use. So dy by y into constant is equal to dx. When I integrate k log y is equal to x plus c. I'll get e power, so it is an exponential. I can send k here. Let us say log y is equal to x by k plus some c by k. Y is e power x by k into e power c by k. This is some constant, so I can call y equal to some total c into e power x by k. Okay, this is a exponential function. You can take the particular constant k. Subnormal is y into dy by dx is k. That we already know it is a parabola whose axis x-axis. So integral y dy equal to integral k dx. Y square by 2 is equal to kx plus c. So y square equal to 2kx plus 2c. It is a some kind of parabola whose axis x-axis. That is parabola. Subtangent is equal to twice the abscissa. Subtangent is y by dy by dx. It is twice abscissa means 2x. So dy 2 dy by y is equal to dx by x. 2 log y is equal to log x plus log c. That will give you y square is equal to cx. This is also parabola. No? This is also given parabola. Of course, the two parabolas can be slightly different. This will cover all the parabolas with vertex origin and axis x-axis. This will cover only axis x-axis. Subnormal is equal to twice the abscissa. So d bit is y into dy by dx is equal to 2x. This is subnormal formula. This is okay. Y dy is equal to 2x dx. Y square by 2 is equal to x square plus c. Y square equal to 2x square plus 2. See this hyperbolas. Okay. 2x square minus y square equal to some constant. Right? So they are not very complicated differential equations. Very simple variable separable only. Just you have to know, remember this formula, subtangent, subnormal, and all that. Okay, next matching will take quite a time. I will not be able to do in 5 minutes. So right now I don't have to skip. Matching 7, at least we can do part of it. Okay, we'll do 7th matching now. At least A bit or B bit. A and B are both. 6 we can do tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to erase. Anybody any doubt or anybody needs more time?